On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to override one of these hotel room door security latches. This is a trick for the hotel engineering maintenance department. Lots of times we'll get a call saying that the door is latched and there's nobody in the room. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick how to do it. Very simple. I'm going to show you guys a trick how to do this. Okay, what you do is we're going to cut a little slot right here, and we're going to get it on this and pull it back. We'll show you how to do your scissors. Cut your little groove like this. And you pull it back. Like that, a do not disturb sign. What we're going to do from the other side, we're going to put this here and pull this lock in just like that. Open the door. So, let's go ahead and do it. Just like that. Just like that. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.